This is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today we are with Ms. Agarwal, Ms. Sapna Agarwal. She is the principal of Delhi Public School, Kota, Rajasthan, India, which is also known as the preparation capital for engineering, medical and many other courses. Ma'am, welcome. Ma'am, as this is not a very normal year, uh, the students are in dilemma, the parents are in dilemma, the students don't know the exams will happen or not, the parents don't know what kind of careers will be available in the future, and uh, they don't even know these NEET or IIT, JEE exams will happen or not. They are unable to go to the school, the peer learning is not very strong. So ma'am, what we would like to have your advice, motivation for the students and parents also,
Right.
for the same.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Pranav. And I would also like to thank EduTV to have given this platform where we can address a lot of queries. Well, yes, this year has not been a normal year. It's a pandemic year. And what had happened is that when pandemic began, it was actually for the school. First, let me talk about the school a little bit. You know, because these children are studying in school and then they've either passed the exams or are in class 12 board classes, and they'll be appearing for their competitive exams soon. So what happened is, things came to us in a different way altogether, right? Though with Delhi Public School, we are always higher on technology, and but that initial struggle was there. So, no, be it all the stakeholders, be it parents, be it children, be it teachers, all of us put together, we were like, how do we help each other? How do we continue with these pedagogical processes? Well, things started happening, and there was a time. And now, of course, everything has started sailing, and probably I feel that the deliverables, though the satisfaction level probably in physical, the classes would be much more, where it's instantaneously. When a child has a question in mind and can come up instantaneously and get solved out immediately. But yes, then everything has their own pros and cons. Now, as far as the question which you have asked, since I'm from Kota, we see a lot of children, those who are always over here, and they do very well in the exams. You talked about medical and engineering. I would like to add that, children in our city, they also come for exams like National Defense Academy. They also become officers in armed forces over here. So we have children, those who are coming for the various other commerce competitions also, right? So we have children from the entire country, even overseas, those who want to come over here and study. It has really impacted. But we have to, as educators, we try to identify the positives, and that is how we've been talking to our parents, we've been talking to our children also. So it is something like that pandemic is there. It may last, COVID is going to stay with us forever. But this situation of lock and unlock is not going to stay with us forever, right? The competitive exams are going to happen. Yes, NEET has recently announced that now they will not be having an exam twice in a year. They'll be having this exam once in a year. The pattern might change. The frequency of exam might change. Even JEE, which had started happening twice in a year, might change their pattern, they haven't announced anything. NDA happens twice a year. This year, to your surprise, two competition dates were clubbed. So April and September, they were clubbed together. The child has already lost one competitive competition, the effort where the child could have appeared and probably understood that, okay, these were where I was deficient, and now I can undergo some remedial classes or learning classes, and I can appear for the exam better. So, yes, children, those who have just cleared their exams, they are into a struggle. The city has geared itself very well. It's all the norms of sanitization are being followed by all organizations, not only in my city, across, I think, all educational institutes. Now, we as parents, we as children, it'll be an individual decision if they choose to come over here and study, or if they choose the virtual classes still. The virtual classes have grown themselves. Right. So every day it's a learning. Every day we are becoming the I'll not say the best versions of ourselves, but we are improving. We are becoming better each day. So the deliverables are improving. The communication is improving. Initially, I understand a lot of parents, they shared with us that, the child is there on the screen. but the child has an option to minimize the screen, and the child picks up another handset and gets busy into WhatsApp messaging or maybe watching a video or something. Sooner than later, I think children, especially for higher classes, they realized that, it is their academic year. In case they are missing or they're not fooling anybody else, they are missing on a lot of learning for themselves. And, children gradually started becoming a little serious. I happen to interact with children of classes 11th and 12th, and the 11th, those who are going to very soon move into class 12, post-March, they're very seriously asking us that, ma'am, hope we have our board exams and pre-boards and all those things as we used to have it earlier. Yes, the children, those who are appearing for board exams now, they ask us questions like that, do we have our board exams dates getting extended? How do we have the practicals getting conducted? The same questions are with the parents' minds too. So my school, like we are from CBSE, so all the schools in the entire city, we wait for instructions coming from the board, and accordingly we keep updating the children. Nonetheless, let me assure everybody, all the stakeholders from your platform, Pranav, the EduTV platform, that things are going to happen the way they are. The dates might just get rolled a little bit ahead, or they might happen there. But each one of them, now this is something very important. Even if your board exams are cutting down your syllabi, your competitive exams are going to have everything. So you need to study everything, right? Correct. So it's very important. Yeah, okay. So that is it. So yeah, Jai Hind everybody. I am Dr. Sapna Agarwal, Principal, Delhi Public School, Kota, and along with EduTV, Pranav Thakurda here on a session, and maybe just to motivate and help out children and their parents. Thank you so much.